Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumba ka jingi pun baik pot hapdeng ke Jingkylla Meghalaya bat ka Assam kampat poi sya ka bakut kabala wanra roi ka jing sngot ho bakala kamtam hapdeng kinong snong ki bahap ki Thain Khappud jong ka Bhoi district ki badang don hapdeng ka jingi pun baik kamtam ban thep vote hagani ki election MLA ka ban salong la shimbanai nakaliang jong deputy commissioner ka Bhoi district ubadairu district election officer u arpit upadhyaya ula pensyai pat ba bakam don satya kanu ka Jingkylla ha ka bayade bat ka Jingthep vote ha kite ki jaka Khappud bat bakan yat bet syakman kumbujulong ha ki por baladam u arpit upadhyaya ula pentip ru bahalor ka ka benta nakaliang ki bor district ka Bhoi lem bat ki bor penya jong ki south ki district ka Assam kiladap ban syong pen bet kamtam hagito ki jaka ki bala ban mi ka huri-hura lani kata ka vulnerable polling station ban pentikna baga Jingthep vote kan yaj bet syakman klem kanu ka jingwit bat khnang ba ki pat ba ki nyo ban Jingthep yala ki Jong ki vote ula pentip bru bah ka jingyalang bat ki DC bat SP jong ki south ki district Jong ka Assam la shim ya ka rai bakin ai ka jingye trailang ka bapura na ka benta ka jinyai bet yai renti jong ka election hapo ka jilla khnang ba barok ki pat ba kin yo ya ka hok ban thep vote kumbalong menta kamdan satya kanu ka Jingkylla ha barok ki polling station lani bat ka Jingthep vote kan longbet kumbajulong bat yakani nakaliang ki bor penya jong ki south ki district ka Assam lingba ki DC bat SP kila kular ban ai ka jingya snokti bat ka jingya trailang ka bapura na ka benta ban pentikna baki pat ba kin la ban Jingthep yala ki Jong ki vote la benrap u arpit upadhyaya
district which shares boundary with four districts of Assam, and there are certain areas which fall under the areas of differences. In that, we have already conducted meeting with the corresponding DCs and SPs, and jointly we have put certain polling stations which might be considered as vulnerable polling stations, and we are taking due caution those so that no voter is being left out, and there is proper flow and of all the voters wherever they want to vote. As of now, there has been no change in polling stations and voting pattern. It will remain the same, and people can exercise their right to vote freely and fairly with no hindrance at all. And it has been assured to us that from the district administration of Assam, from all the four districts, that they will provide all their support and coordination in order to ensure that people go and have exercise their right of vote.